Crops in sustainable agriculture. Agriculture today faces mounting challenges. Climate change, soil degradation, and the spread of herbicide-resistant weeds threaten productivity and sustainability. However, a promising and natural solution is gaining momentum: cover crops. These plants, grown to improve soil and suppress weeds rather than for harvest, are proving to be powerful allies for farmers striving to protect the environment while maintaining high yields. Dr. Kurt Vollmer and colleagues from the University of Maryland and Rutgers University have been at the forefront of this movement. They focused on how spring-seeded cover crops could enhance weed control and boost yields in cucurbit production, which includes crops such as cucumbers and watermelons. Plastic mulch has long been a staple in cucurbit farming, helping to suppress weeds. However, the exposed spaces between plastic rows often turn into battlegrounds against weeds. These weeds compete with crops and can harbour insect pests and diseases. Traditional solutions, herbicides and manual labour are becoming less effective and more expensive as weeds evolve resistance to herbicides and labour costs rise. Cover crops such as cereal rye and spring oats can suppress weeds naturally, improve soil health and reduce erosion. To test their potential, Dr. Vollmer's team conducted 2 years of trials in Maryland and New Jersey. They planted cover crops between plastic mulch rows and used various methods, including herbicides and mechanical crimping, to terminate the cover crops after cucurbits were planted. The results were striking. Cover crops reduced weed density by up to 85%. Smooth pigweed, a notorious herbicide-resistant weed, was reduced by over 70%. When spring oats were terminated using a targeted herbicide, smooth pigweed was nearly eradicated. Cover crops also improved cucurbit crop yields compared to areas with bare ground. In trials, cover crops increased cucumber yields by 169% and watermelon yields by 107%. Part of this may also be the result of the healthier growing conditions cover crops created, including improved soil structure, additional organic matter, and enhanced moisture retention. While the research highlights many benefits, Dr. Vollmer and colleagues acknowledge that there's more to learn. Questions remain about the long-term effects of different termination methods and herbicide use. For example, paraquat proved highly effective in this study, but its toxicity raises concerns about environmental and human health impacts. Future studies could explore safer alternatives or refine mechanical techniques. Moreover, the findings from cucurbit farming could be expanded to other crops. By tailoring cover crop strategies to different climates, soils and crops, farmers across the board could reap the rewards. Dr. Vollmer's research demonstrates that integrating cover crops into modern agriculture is more than a practical solution. It's a step toward a sustainable future. Farmers adopting these practices can protect their land, reduce environmental harm, and still achieve impressive yields.